Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah's book deserves more that something should be taken for it. Shabi said, the teacher should not impose any condition but accept what is given to him. Hakam said, I heard no one disliking the wages of a teacher. Hasan Basri paid 10 dirhams and Ibn Sirin did not see any harm in the wages of a distributor. It was said, as-suhtu is taken as bribery and the people would pay wages to someone for estimating. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports a group of Prophet's companions set out on a journey and stopped over with one of the Arab tribes. They were asked to serve them but they refused to host a meal. A snake bit the chief of this tribe. They did their best to cure him but in vain. Some of them said, go to them who have laid over. Perhaps they have something to cure. So they came to them and said, O people, a snake has bitten our chief and we did whatever we could do, but of no avail. Do any one of you have anything? One of them said, Yes, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I can faith heal, but we asked you to serve us and you refused to host. So I will not faith heal unless you fix wages for us. So they agreed on paying some goats. So he went there, spat lightly on him, the chief, and recited chapter Al-Fatiha. He became as if someone had united the bones. He started walking and no pain was left. So they gave the fixed number of goats. Someone said, distribute them. The faith healer said, do not do so till we go. The Prophet ﷺ apprise him of it and see what he decrees. So they went to Allah's Apostle ﷺ. He ﷺ thereupon said, how do you know one can faith heal reciting it? Then he ﷺ said, you did right. Distribute them and fix a share for me along with yours. And Allah's Apostle ﷺ laughed. Shoba Abu Bishr heard this hadith from Abul Mutawakkil. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2276.